Welcome back to A Girl and Her Cows. We are on our way for a new purchase.
I don't know what I built.
Oh, okay. I can't. You fix the little entrance there because we're doing the hayfield next. So you got to get in there. All right. So we're just leaving the farm, heading to town because we purchased something. Because Mother Nature is not on our side. So instead of giving up and throwing up our hands, we've upped the ante. And we're going to get this haying season done before the end of August. Really, preferably, I'd like the middle of August. I'd like it to be done, but we'll see how this goes. Okay, before Brooklyn's birthday on the 20th. So, stay tuned as we head to town to see what we purchased. Yes, it's raining again. I apologize for the water droplets, which makes the video hard to see. But as we wait for the phone call to say something is ready to be picked up, can you guess what we may or may not have purchased out of that yard? Crappy video, I'm sorry, but it won't stop raining. Drum roll, please. Mother Nature, you will not win this year. Haha. You're not ready to show off your skills to cordless drive it? Oh, in front. You don't want to show off your skills of cordless driving? Sorry, YouTube. Bad video. Keep videoing. I'm telling you to get out of the way. That's all good. That is so cool.
Hi, Junior boy and his cows.
Nope.
I guess we gotta fix a bridle here.
Whoa! Get it,
Mr. Ruvald, you wanna do some vidgen?
Oh, I did one.
Yeah, not too. Should we make Stephanie watch all this boring stuff on the laptop? I think that's gonna be funny.
Yep.
I go as slow as we possibly can. Watch him, video him getting up there.
It's a bit of a workout.
Oh yeah. That horse tolerates it well though. Hey, and roll him up. Alright. You want me to take the video again, or are you going to do it?
Yeah, you can take the vid, you know. It's still vid, eh?
Oh, got a nice video of my hand there.
Oh, very nice.
What?
You got such pretty hands.
I do. Like a girl, really. Look at some of Tonka's ears. Old boy. We're not trail riding. Get off my butt. Yes, you were. Right beside me, not right on my tail.
Come on, Jeremy, get off his butt.
Any words of advice, Mr. Bruvald? No?
Probably say something wrong and offend somebody.
Oh. Well, there we go. We're vidgen. Oh, we're vidgen.
How come your cows aren't eating my willows?
They're killing them.
There's a lot more. There was a lot more.
Well, does not look a lot better. Only one person with their halter still on.
There's only one person.
Like I said before, only weirdos ride with their halter on. Right, Brooke? Come on, old boy.
What is this Stonehenge of posts in the middle here?
I have no idea. See, this is the walk we like. Probably not real great for the video, but see, that other walk I can't cover no ground. Well, I'm not real good at the slow walk. Okay.
Stay here forever. Just stay here forever. This is the slow walk we want.
Look, Mom, no hands. Woo!
G! 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 G!
Yeah.
G! Ha! Ha! Now you listen to me!
I was squeezing them, so I squeeze them on both sides.
G!
Dustin. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Practicing for the dumbass rodeo or what?
Here.
What are we doing now?
We're gonna show the people at home how prodding is done. Come on.
That was it, hey?
That's how you trot. Western pleasure style.
That was cute. Go on the road with that performance.
Right? Don't do that on your horse, okay?
That's what you were doing.
I know.
Maybe you could get some pointers from Girl in her Town Nation.
Right?
You should buy some merch from Mom.
Oh.
Come on. I did hard today. Now we go to a little more.
Come on, buddy. That's deeper than I thought it was.
Yeah, you almost like that.
Here's these semi-tall cows.
They're scimitars.
The semi-talls. They're not fully tall. They're just semi.
They're rejects, Dad.
Okay, guys, now we're going to ride it nice and quiet, okay?
Hey, my sense is going.
I know, right?
It's a fence to nowhere.
That doesn't really do anything. I don't understand all these cross fences, but maybe you got to be more into horses to understand them. I don't know. Hayden, let me ride in, okay? So I want to check that one calf that was hurt.
You want to stay here?
No, you can ride in after me, just nice and slow.
I think that's all our horses have. Here's a car. Yeah, here's a car.
Hayden. Come on. I know. That's Karen, right there. Yeah, it is. Right here, that's Karen.
I'm looking at this cow.
This little calf here is Karen.
We're not going in the desert.
Baden, roll it up.
Random fence post to go.
There's another random fence post. I'm thinking, well, there might be an alligator in there. We do live in the bayou. She does look kind of skinny. She's just that awkward age where she's growing.
Yeah, can we ride up to the fence of nowhere and show Dustin?
Sure. I just want to check this calf real good. Still limping a little bit, but not bad. Come on. Come on, buddy. Stop, guys. It's looking okay. Putting weight on it, uninfected. One with the right on the other side of that cow. The black one with the red ribbon in its ear. It's putting weight on, walking on all four. Still has all its feet. Ooh, look at old Mouse. Look at Mouse.
I know, she's so big, right?
Doing good.
Why was she sent to the reject pasture again?
Because
No? Someone's Destiny. Destiny's here with us. Oh, yeah.
some decent calves out here. Doing well.
Hi, Gidget. Run, Mouse, run. Oh, remember Miracle? Miracle? Hurry up, Destiny. Your baby's leaving without you. Miracle. Your baby's leaving without you.
Which fence to know where are we going to?
That one over there. The gate to nowhere.
All right.
We're going to show Dustin the gate to nowhere.
Another random round pen.
Do you want to go around the outskirts of your new property, Mr. Breville?
Oh, let's go check it out. I suppose.
Come on.
We're here now.
And we're not running, right? No.
No.
Okay, good. He's sweaty enough. Run, little sheeple, run!
For all those at home, this isn't actually Mr. Breville's properties. He's just hoping one day it could be. Yeah. See, like we could have plucked those semi-talls out, no problem.
There goes Roxanne.
Come on. Then the Agnes's. I don't know. Come on. We're walking. You're not got Brooklyn on you.
I don't want to go that slow. He just does it.
He doesn't have a choice when I'm riding him. I got downgraded horses here this year. Big time.
You sold your old
I shouldn't have sold my old horse, no. Yeah.
Am I too close?
Brooke, go beside me.
Oh, too close, too close, too close.
Come on. I don't know that I'd want to be side-by-siding through here.
Me neither.
Come on.
I kind of can tell Ghost is too.
Yep. This is wet. A little bit. I'm gonna cut over to the trees, maybe it won't be so gooey. There's the cows. Just trailing out. We're not chasing them, we're just out here checking them. Mrs. Girl and her cows isn't along, so we didn't have to bring the two-seater horse. Right. She's gonna ride this one soon enough, hopefully.
Yeah, I think she can handle that one.
I would think so.
A little less horsepower than her two-seater.
A little bit. This one's lacking on the horsepower. But it's got lots of bottom end, not a lot of top end on this one.
And his steering wheel's not safe.
Huh?
His steering wheel's not safe.
He's got good steering.
But it's not the same as mine's two-wheeler.
Much.
That's good, Dad. That's good. Hey, put up a little more. All you can do is
Feel like a real gomer, but whatever.
This is my neighbor's place over here.
Yeah.
Where are you going? We're going hog. G. Got hog. We're going hog.
G.
We're going G.
Yeah, we need to run a bunch more cows over here.
Yeah.
Thin out the grass a little bit.
Yeah. Pretty thick, isn't it?
It is very thick.
Thinking that when they come home from sunset.
Stay here. Whoa. Whoa. Tony. Come on.
You can come with me.
Yeah. Dad, are you all the way down the side?
We don't have a pile of time, but I guess we could, yeah.
This is where the neighbor's gonna drive through to drink his coffee, huh?
Right? Right at the corner here. This is gonna be deep here, guys.
Yeah. Whoa.
You're coming, Brooke. We're going all the way in. Come on, buddy. I'm gonna cross up here. This looks deepish.
I didn't want to just cross there.
Come on, buddy.
I can't totally just cross there.
Come on.
Come on, go. Move.
It's not that bad.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
For ghosts today. Pretty bad, actually. Water horse is kind of bad. Yep. Not much, and then we just get muddy. It looks like there's a swamp here.
There is. Come on.
Yeah. Swamp.
Come on. Riding a little wet ground don't hurt them, Brooke. He's your American pony what, Brooke?
Crapaloosa.
Appaloosa? Her dad teases her that's a Crapaloosa, but it's actually an Appaloosa. It's a pretty good little pony.
It does look like there's piece of poo on her though.
This old horse I'm riding, he's just old. He's been slow for 15 years. I don't think that's gonna change. Hey?
No. Are you talking to your Dustin?
You?
Okay. That's quite well.
Come on.
Come on. Oh man, that was
My legs are getting tired of kicking you, old boy.
I'm on found dry land. You want to eat bushes? Okay.
Fine, go over it then. Brooke, get off my tail. Look at that big frog. Oh, that's a mouse. Look how big that sucker is. That's a big mouse. And a whole pile of babies in her. Hey?
There's like no water over there.
Brooke's going right through it.
Got some moose dogs following us here.
Oh, do we? Oh, yeah.
Apparently they got a trail through the weeds.
Apparently they took a back road.
They know the back road.
Really good. I'm trying to get. You stubborn boy. I'm out more.
Pretty sad when my son's horse is that much faster that I gotta let him lead. Oh, we got a whole bunch of moose behind us here.
Very good.
Choice excellent. No, not again.
You know Red Monk's face would be?
Oh, she would be livid with us.
You know those cartoons that have like those red steam coming out of their ears? You know, the red gigantic face? That'd be wrong. I hate you.
All right, now you can pick. Yeah, this might be deep here. Come on. Come on, buddy.
Was it?
Oh, yeah.
What I say? Whoa!
Holy, come on.
You're my
Yeah. Whoa. That's deep. All right, let's turn back.
Dad,
Huh, Brooke?
your father was almost swimming.
No, he was fine.
Oh yeah. Feet weren't even close to the water yet.
You guys are lying because you're on the ocean.
At least this fence looks pretty decent.
It does, yeah.
Ew. I have like an ant thing on me. They like cut my finger open.
I should be riding with that other pad, breaking it in for Stephanie,
The other whole pad.
because mine's broke in well.
You got my pad dirty, Dad.
That's what happens, Brooke.
This is nice. You got it, but you're not supposed to.
Dustin did more than... Dustin's horse come through, tromping through like some kind of a dozer.
I'm just gonna go straight. Bye, Dad. Oh. Hi.
Come on.
On the mud, and like slap his foot down in the mud.
Yeah, my horse is really out of gas. That was all we had.
Wow.
That's pretty sad, isn't it?
You gotta test drive this guy.
Yeah. He got a little bit more, does he?
You got a little bit more.
This one's got nothing. That's why I gave this guy up for kids, right?
Yeah.
He's good other than that. Yeah. Come on, buddy. That's deep in that hole. You good, Brooke?
I'm glad I had the big, like, end on my saddle, or else I would be sitting in the mud.
We gotta get you a breast collar though. Your slide won't slide around so much if you have a breast collar.
It doesn't even slide that much.
Come on.
Slide back does not. Sometimes, but yeah.
I can't hear what your mumbling from back there.
I said, you think Dana would like them extra sweaty?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, extra stinky.
Her chiropractic adjuster tool would slide better on the
Right?
vertebra.
Right? Looks like a whittled down block of wood, doesn't it?
It's the head off a rubber mallet that's
Yeah.
whittled down.
That's what I mean, yeah.
That works really well.
It seems to. Oh, look at this old boy. We got a lope now at least. Well, we had him wide open earlier.
Another adjustment, and Scoop might not throw the bucking.
Right?
Let's go through this.
Slope through it. Come on. Ah, come on. I got mud on me.
Get settled up. There's mouses everywhere.
I know, right? Should do something with all these mice on my property, eating all my grass. Come on.
You're trying to pet me?
Oh, that's deep.
I thought you were in the middle.
Hey, Dustin. Trying to get higher range.
Sound like the old farm truck.
Right? That's why we don't get past third gear in this one. No, we had him wide open. That was all we had.
He was open,
Yeah. Stretched out as far as he'll ever stretch out.
just a whining.
Yeah. That one's fast. Yeah.
I'm playing for $100,000.
Right?
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't have to do that to you. Because then you wouldn't be allowed to ride them if I owned them.
Yeah, I'm so, that's, well,
You'd be riding this one.
$1,000 would be worth it, Dad.
You'd be this one at the back of the pack trotting to catch up. Oh. Easy. Easy. Hey.
Whoa, Tonka, whoa. Go away. You're all sweaty, Tonka.
He is.
Ew.
Look, Ma.
Ew, look under your saddle. That's disgusting. I think Tonka might have like sweat.
Oh, look at you all sides up.
Right?
Thanks, Sam.
I think he's the sweatiest.
This is how girls are supposed to ride my daughter.
So? I don't know.
Yeah. You can tell you're riding a broke horse when, eh?
I don't want I could probably do that, but I'm not gonna.
I wouldn't.
Give him a little more time.
This is probably the only one I would do out of this whole herd. Ooh. Took a little side step there. Maybe we'll put our leg back over. You don't like that much, do you?
Never did that. Is that like that?
I know, she sat like a boy.
So?
Horrible. Disgusting woman. Sitting like a man. Right?
Right?
Right? Your little pony has swass. He's got sweat on his butt cheeks. He's walking funny.
Got water everywhere.
Oh yeah.
My horse
Dragging his dipstick in the swamp back there.
Was he? Pretty much, eh? Did you drag your boots any?
Not quite.
Almost?
My bottom
Yes.
my boots are clean.
Got a little bit of room.
You making friends with him now? Yeah.